There is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms for parts of South Texas. Hi friends, if you subscribe my channel, you will get next important update. Thanks. Storms capable of severe wind gusts, large hail, and possibly a tornado or two are possible over South Texas today, mainly this morning into early mid-afternoon. Isolated wind gusts in excess of 75 miles per hour are possible. A deep upper trough will remain in place over much of the central eastern CONUS today. An expansive surface ridge will cover much of the CONUS east of the Rockies. In the wake of a cold front, rich low-level moisture will mainly be confined to South Florida, and also across South TX prior to the cold frontal passage. An organized severe thunderstorm threat is expected to develop during the first part of the day across South Texas. Considerable uncertainty remains regarding the evolution of convection across South TX today, but there is some potential for organized MCS development later this morning, which could pose a threat of potentially significant wind gusts, along with some hail and tornado threat, before storms move offshore. Most guidance, both CAMS and larger-scale guidance, suggests storm coverage will increase between 09-12Z this morning across southern parts of the Edwards Plateau, aided by a modest southeasterly low-level jet impinging on the southward-moving cold front. Eventual upscale growth into one or more southeastward-moving clusters is expected later this morning. Moderate buoyancy and favorable deep-layer shear will support embedded supercell structures capable of hail. Low-level shear will also be sufficient to support a tornado or two with any sustained surface-based convection. Some guidance depicts the development of a well-organized bowing MCS, which would move southeastward toward portions of deep South Texas and the lower TX coast.